Hey there, learners! Welcome back to another 5-minute English lesson. Today's word is something we all need in life, whether it's studying, working, or achieving any goal. It's the word effort. Effort is essential because it tells us how much hard work or energy we put into something. But what does it really mean? How do we use it in different situations? Well, let's find out. Okay, first things first. Effort is a noun, and it means the amount of energy or work that you put into doing something. For example, when you're learning English, you need to give your effort if you want to improve. Imagine you're running a race. The effort you put into running is how hard you try to reach the finish line. Effort can be physical, like lifting weights, or mental, like studying for an exam. Let's break it down with an example. Learning English takes a lot of effort, but it's worth it. This means that learning English requires hard work, practice, and dedication. It's not easy, but the rewards are worth it. Now, let's look at some more examples to see how we use effort in sentences. He put a lot of effort into his project, and it turned out great. This means that he worked very hard and focused on his project, and because of that, the result was fantastic. Another example. You need to make an effort to practice speaking English every day. This means that in order to improve your English, you need to consistently try and work at it. You can't improve if you don't put in the effort. Let's dive a little deeper into how we can use the word effort in different contexts. You can use effort to talk about things like personal achievements, working hard on a task, or even teamwork. For example, I made a big effort to finish the report on time. This shows that you worked hard to complete the task, paying attention to deadlines and the quality of the work. You can also say, it was a team effort to win the game. Here, team effort means that everyone in the group worked together, contributing their skills and energy to achieve the goal. Teamwork is often about everyone putting in their individual effort for a common purpose. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Think about something you've worked hard on recently. Was it learning a new skill, completing a project at work, or maybe helping a friend? Think about the effort you put into it. What kind of effort did it take? Was it physical effort or mental effort? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how effort shows up in your life. If you want, you can even write a sentence using the word effort. I'll check them out and give you feedback. Let's expand on effort a little more. Effort is used to describe the amount of energy or work needed for tasks big or small. We often use it to express that something requires persistence and determination. For instance, if you say, she didn't put in much effort during the exam. This suggests that she didn't try hard enough, or she was lazy. But if you say, the team showed great effort during the match, it means that everyone worked hard to achieve success. Also, you can use effort in the context of improving skills. For example, to become fluent in English, you need to put in consistent effort every day. This shows that improvement requires ongoing hard work. Now, let's look at some synonyms and antonyms for effort. Synonyms include words like work. It took a lot of work to finish this project. Labor. The labor involved in building this house was immense. Energy. It took all my energy to climb to the top of the mountain. The opposite of effort would be laziness. His laziness kept him from finishing his homework. Inaction. The company's inaction in dealing with the issue caused a lot of problems. Lack of effort. She didn't make any effort to solve the puzzle. Remember, the more effort you put in, the better your results will be. Great job, everyone! You've now learned how to use the word effort in different contexts. Remember, whether you're learning English, working on a project, or achieving any goal, the key is putting in the effort. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see results. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more vocabulary tips and lessons. And again, feel free to leave your sentences with the word effort in the comments. I'll see you in the next 5-minute lesson. Keep up the great work!